Understanding a concept that blends the time with price might seem very complex, but in this video, we are going to understand ICT Killzone in most simplified way, and we would see how can we blend the time with price and get our very precise entry with the help of Killzones. So let's jump right into it and understand what are Killzones. So very first section is what are Killzones. Killzones are time periods when the algorithm is most active throughout the day due to the active participation of central banks and smart money. These are the time blocks when the market will most likely offer us good trade opportunities with enough volatility. Now you need to understand that we trade change in price of a certain asset considering the time around a certain level. That means higher the change indicates more opportunities. There are primarily three types of kill zones throughout the day. The very first one is Asian Killzone, second one is London Killzone, and third one is New York Killzone. Each of these are based on the central banks and the volatility around the world. Now let's study each of them separately and see what exactly are these kill zones along with their functions. The very first one is Asian Killzone. It starts from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. New York time. In major markets, this kill zone pulls the necessary liquid for the market through the tight range and act as daily accumulation in the form of consolidation or choppy price action. Now the characteristics of the Asian kill zones are as follow. The very first one is that major pair consolidate in tight range during this period in the normal market condition. That's the same reason why it's called Asian range. Miners, AUD and Japanese yen pairs are most active during this period. It can be very useful when used as consolidation for AMD or PO3 pattern. And in the skill zone, we wait for expansion in major markets or we trade the minus or yen pairs if there is sufficient volatility. It can offer 10 to 20 pip scalp opportunities under normal market conditions if we are not near the reversal points. This is USD JPY 15-minute chart, 30 September 2024. You can see this tight consolidation with this green box. This is the Asian Killzone. Now this Killzone can act as consolidation when it's a choppy price action or a very slow range, just like this. Now you can see after price took the sell side liquidity right here, then it does this manipulation and then it reverses and goes to other buy side target. Now this Asian Killzone might not be useful when it's alone, but when we combine this with the London and New York Killzone, it can be very useful. Our next Killzone is London. It starts from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York time. In major market, this Killzone acts as a crucial expansion and does the manipulation for daily candle with possible model formation. When I say possible model formation, I mean sometimes it can act as continuation with the Asian Killzone, and sometimes it can act as a reversal after the good manipulation. Mostly it will be a reversal with the possible model formation. Now the characteristics of London Killzone are as follow. Major pair expand aggressively during a crucial manipulation phase for daily candle. It's usually in opposite direction of our drawn liquidity. Majors such as Euro and GBP pairs are most active during this period. Using it as liquidity sweep and manipulation can be very effective and can give us a complete model based on these two facts. Here we wait for the market shift toward drawn liquidity and then look for the possible trade opportunities. It can offer 20 to 40 pip intraday opportunities in normal market conditions when we don't have any high impact news filter. Now if you look at the same chart, this is USD JPY 15-minute, you can see this is Asian Killzone, and after we take the low of Asian Killzone before the London Killzone, we reverse and create the low of the day right here. Another characteristic of London Killzone is that it creates the low of bullish day and high of bearish day. You can see in this market we are bullish, so we are creating the low inside the London Killzone right here after taking the sell side liquidity, an old low and Asian low. Now we are creating a low below an old low after taking the sell side liquidity inside London Killzone when we are bullish. But if we are bearish, then we wanna see price take the high, an old high in the London Killzone, and then shift structure. Now that high is most likely to be a high of bearish day. In nutshell, London Killzone create the low of bullish day and high of bearish day. And once you know when to expect the high or low of the day, you can always trade from high to low or low to high. After London Killzone, we have New York Killzone. It starts from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York time. For indices and stocks, it goes from 8:30 to 11 a.m. New York time. In major market, this is the distribution phase when market creates the body of daily candle with expansion and a lot of trade opportunities. Characteristics of New York Killzone are as follow. Major pair expand aggressively toward withdrawal liquidity. Major markets are most active during this period, such as Euro USD and GBP USD. This is distribution phase where algo offers a lot of entries. New York Killzone is beginners friendly as it's volatile and clear price action. Here we wait for market to offer us entries to withdraw liquidity and then ride the tide with proper risk management. It can offer 20 to 60 pip intraday opportunities if we are not in an aggressive high impact news. If we are in an high impact news, it can offer 100 to 150 trade opportunities as well. Now if you look at the same chart, you can see after we created a low in London Killzone in a bullish day, we did this stop trade right here before the New York Killzone, and then price offers us entry right here. You can see this fair value gap and this order block being respected by these candles and this one, and then we shoot up to our withdrawal liquidity and go higher. Most of the time, you would see New York Killzone is a continuation of London Killzone. For the continuation, we need to see a new PDA formed inside the New York Killzone and then it being respected just like this. It shoots higher toward our buy-sell liquidity and closes the day. Now let's look at the examples. Our very first example is of USD JPY 15-minute chart, 30 September 2024. You can see we have the sell-side liquidity right here before the opening of the candle, and we have this choppy price action, which is Asian Killzone, shown by this green box, and then we shoot lower, take the sell-side liquidity, and then we go higher and break this swing high. After we break the swing high, you need to focus that we have created a low inside the London Killzone right here, and Asian Killzone is a consolidation. We took the low of Asian Killzone, which made this day bullish, and we also took this sell-side liquidity with the leg that created the low inside the London Killzone. Now this low is our daily low because it took the sell-side liquidity and Asian low inside the London Killzone. And then we shoot up higher with the trade opportunity, and price does the continuation inside the New York Killzone with this fair value gap and short liquidity purchase right here. And then it shoot higher to our withdrawal liquidity and closes the day. This was the trade I took inside my account. You can see this is the execution I sent in my free Telegram. I went long right from here and took the short right here because I was targeting these relative equal highs right here. Another example, this is Euro USD 5-minute chart, 2nd October 2024. You can see we have a tight consolidation right here. This is Asian Killzone from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. New York time. Then we go lower, take this lows, and then we go higher and take the previous day's high with this Asian Killzone. Now here we are creating a certain model in which we are creating the high of day in London Killzone. After we create this high inside the London Killzone, price goes below it and did the market structure shift. After the shift in market structure, we want to see some PDUs left behind in the premium of these price range. You can see one is right here, and this breaker block, price respects it and goes below it, and it does the continuation inside the New York Killzone with this breaker block and fair value gaps toward our drawn liquidity, which is the sell side. You need to focus that Asian range is consolidation in this case, and we are taking the high of Asian range inside the London Killzone. And whenever we take the high of Asian session in the London Killzone, It is a good confirmation that we are going bearish in the New York and London Killzone. And then you can see that London creates the high and New York is classic continuation. Now these are the snapshots of my execution which I sent inside my free telegram at MOHSIN-ICT. This is 15-minute short, so this is 5-minute short. Don't be confused between those. I went short from right here, from this breakup block, and I closed right here. This was the outcome, 3,300, and this is the execution. Now here's the bonus part. In this part, I'll give you some key to trading kill zones. Each of these are less known and very important, so you need to remember whenever you trade kill zones. The very first one is Asian Killzone being a consolidation is a very good confirmation. See, you can only use Asian Killzone when it's a consolidation. If we are taking the high of Asian Killzone, then we wanna see price go below in the New York and London Killzone. But if we are taking the low of Asian Killzone, then we wanna see New York go higher. That's the key. Asian Killzone high and low are very significant if it's a consolidation. That's the same thing I told you. If we are taking a high, we wanna see a bearish day. If we are taking a low, we wanna see a bullish day. That's only if it's a tight consolidation or choppy price action. You need to look for manipulation to take a liquidity pool inside the London Killzone. If the manipulation phase has taken some liquidity or high or low inside the London Killzone, then it's most possible that that high is going to be high or low of the day. Market structure shift inside the London Killzone can lead to an intraday reversal, and it can offer us good trade opportunities if it's a valid reversal. New York Killzone can retrace up to 50% of current range before the expansion. This is because we wanna take out all the retailers who are following the trend. If Asian Killzone is consolidation, we trade the London Killzone, but if it's an expansion, we avoid it. Same goes for the London Killzone. If it's a huge expansion with some news filter, we avoid the New York Killzone because it's most likely going to be consolidation. Always keep opening price and previous Killzone in mind while trading, because these two things will help you a lot while dealing with your daily bias or market direction if it's not clear. And it will offer you a lot of trade opportunities as well when we are being confused by the market manipulation. Understanding AMD pattern with open high low close and open low high close formation is very crucial, as it gives you a proper perspective how to look at the kill zones and market formation. So in the end, I want to give you the trading view indicator that I used in the previous slides. It's called Killzones at Joshu. I use it when I'm doing some backtesting. Otherwise, I just know when these Killzones start or end. For the beginners, this is very useful. That was all about the Killzones. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay sharp, stay safe.